So many phones in need of repair. This iPhone screen is completely shattered. Carefully removing the old, damaged LCD. Check out this broken phone case, ouch. Installing a new high-quality LCD from Alno's service handphone. The screen looks brand new again, amazing transformation. Testing it out. Smooth touchscreen functionality restored. No more lines or glitches. Perfectly functional now. Clean and professional installation by our skilled technicians. All apps working perfectly after the repair. Impressive. Alno Service HP delivers quality results every time.